What's happening, people? Oh, shut up, mate. Fucking hell. You know me. You've seen me enough. I'm back on the Honda, babes. Proper shit. Right, I'm in fuck. Well, that was a fucking close one, wasn't it? That was my fault. Damn! I think I put... Fucking hell. Oh dear Lord. And the brakes are shit. And I thought, oh my god, I'm gonna fucking crash. Oh god. I think I shut myself a little bit. Just literally took it out the bloody garage. Where's your bike? I think I'm on zero fuel. Oh dear. Should go to the petrol station. The next one. I think I'm on zero fuel. Should I go to the petrol station? No, it's going to run on air. What the fuck? Where the fuck have I come? Oh dear. Oh, these are 2 parking spots. I am hating this bike. I am absolutely hating this bike. The wind noise is ridiculous. Honestly, it's like, it's got a big enough screen, I guess. It's much larger than the one on my Z800. And the noise it creates, bloody hell. It's ridiculous. I'd never expected. I mean, I've ridden this bike before, a very short spell, like a day or two. But now, because I've been using it consistently for a week, as my bike is in the garage, it just feels... Do you know, I don't like the commute. It's making me not like the commute. So no wonder people go on about, like, people with Triumph Tigers and a bit more of the adventure bikes, which are a little bit higher, a little bit taller, you're a little bit you're, you know, back straighter, you're actually right on top there. No wonder they go on about how the windscreen is so important, because it creates such a an unpleasantness in riding, like, as it's just whizzing by. I've never experienced it because I've never owned a bike like this. It's always been either a sport bike or a naked bike, even though naked bike you'd kind of expect that, right? But no, my Z800, I swear, it doesn't even compare to this. Even when I'm tucked down, so I've had to tuck down to obviously get rid of and it's so uncomfortable to be tucked down for more than 15 minutes. So uncomfortable. So yeah, man, it's it's proper disappointed, and it's making the journey seem quite hell. I mean, the journey is long enough, and this is why this goes back to my argument before, where, you know, a lot of people said to me prior to buying the Z800, like, you need a little runaround. You need something that you can just ride until it dies, like a little banger that you know, will give you a couple of years. It's got plenty of mileage, it's cheap and cheerful, and that's it. Absolutely not. I will not do that, because a lot of riding has to do with how you feel on the bike. Personally anyway, I think it has to do a lot with how you feel on the bike. You know, you feel good, you've got a good positive energy about it. You know, it just well, it does to me anyway, especially an hour's ride. Like, regardless how quick I am, it is always an hour's ride, regardless. So, well, but it just seems well, for one, this seems sluggish. Just got hit by a bee in the face. A bee or a fly. Looked quite big though. Looked like a bumble. I think it's massively important for you to feel good on what you're riding. Even though I love two wheels, right? I absolutely adore two wheels, and I think I'd be happy on any two wheels, as in for a ride, right? But for a consistent commute where it's such a lengthy time, for me, I don't know about you guys, but I think it's massively important how you feel about the bike. And you know, if you just buy a bike for the purpose of it's just a little run around, but if you're doing 3 miles down the road, of course that makes sense. But if you're doing 100 miles a day, well, more than that, yeah, 100 miles a day, sorry, it does start to get in your nerves, because it's just not fit for purpose. I don't think this is fit for purpose. Well, it is. I don't think this is a good bike to commute in. If you're commuting just in London, fine. Even then, it's noisy. It's very noisy. Look, I'm doing 35, and the wind is ridiculous, man. I got teary eyes and all sorts. I don't get that with my Z800. I don't know what it is. It's just got a little screen like that. But yes, I'm not enjoying my commute, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very, very underpowered. No torque whatsoever. I know it's 2009, but I would expect it a little bit more torquey, but it's not. So yeah, quite upsetting.